Leçon 9. Famille.
Lesson 9, Family. Mother. Mum. Mother, mum.
Mère, maman.
Mother, mum. Father. Dad. Father, dad.
Père, papa.
Father, dad. A. Child. A child.
Enfant.
A child. A. Sister. A sister.
Sœur.
A sister. A. Brother. A brother.
Frère.
A brother. Grandfather.
Grand-père.
Grandfather. Grandmother.
Grand-mère.
Grandmother. I like my brother. I like my brother.
J'aime mon frère.
I like my brother. I like your sister. I like your sister.
Ta sœur me plaît.
I like your sister. My.
Mon, ma.
My. My sister. My sister.
Ma sœur.
My sister. My brother. My brother.
Mon frère.
My brother. This is my sister. This is my sister.
C'est ma sœur.
This is my sister. Where is my sister? Where is my sister?
Où est ma sœur?
Where is my sister? My sister is in Paris. My sister is in Paris.
Ma sœur est à Paris.
My sister is in Paris. I'm looking for my sister. I'm looking for my sister.
Je cherche ma sœur.
I'm looking for my sister. Is my sister here? Is my sister here?
Est-ce que ma sœur est là?
Is my sister here? Your.
Ton, ta.
Your. For.
Pour.
For. For. Me. For me.
Pour moi.
For me. For. You. For you.
Pour toi.
For you. It is for you. It is for you.
C'est pour toi.
It is for you. Is this your mother? Is this your mother?
Est-ce que c'est ta mère?
Is this your mother? Where is your mother? Where is your mother?
Où est ta mère?
Where is your mother? Where is your father now? Where is your father now?
Où est maintenant ton père?
Where is your father now? Where is your brother now? Where is your brother now?
Où est maintenant ton frère?
Where is your brother now? Friend,
Ami.
friend. You are. You are.
Tu es.
You are. You are a friend. You are a friend.
Tu es un ami.
You are a friend. You are my friend. You are my friend.
Tu es mon ami.
You are my friend. He is my friend. He is my friend.
C'est mon ami.
He is my friend. He is my good friend. He is my good friend.
C'est mon bon ami.
He is my good friend. It's good to have. It's good to have.
C'est bien d'avoir.
It's good to have. It's good to have a good friend. It's good to have a good friend.
C'est bien d'avoir un bon ami.
It's good to have a good friend. It's good to have a mum and dad. It's good to have a mum and dad.
C'est bien d'avoir une mère et un père.
It's good to have a mum and dad. It's good to have a lot of time. It's good to have a lot of time.
C'est bien d'avoir beaucoup de temps.
It's good to have a lot of time. It's good to have money. It's good to have money.
C'est bien d'avoir de l'argent.
It's good to have money. It's good to have a good hotel. It's good to have a good hotel.
C'est bien d'avoir un bon hôtel.
It's good to have a good hotel. Will be. Will be.
Sera.
Will be. My brother will be here. My brother will be here.
Mon frère sera là.
My brother will be here. My brother will be here on Tuesday. My brother will be here on Tuesday.
Mon frère sera là mardi.
My brother will be here on Tuesday. My brother will be here on Tuesday evening. My brother will be here on Tuesday evening.
Mon frère sera là mardi soir.
My brother will be here on Tuesday evening. Where will your brother be tomorrow? Where will your brother be tomorrow?
Où ton frère sera demain.
Where will your brother be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Demain, c'est mardi.
Tomorrow is Tuesday. A present. A present.
Cadeau.
A present. It will be a present. It will be a present.
Ce sera un cadeau.
It will be a present. It will be present for my mum. It will be present for my mum.
Ce sera un cadeau pour ma mère.
It will be present for my mum. Will it be a present for your friend? Will it be a present for your friend?
Est-ce que ce sera un cadeau pour ton ami?
Will it be a present for your friend? I like presents. I like presents.
J'aime les cadeaux.
I like presents. You like. You like.
Tu aimes.
You like. What do you like? What do you like?
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes?
What do you like? Do you like presents? Do you like presents?
Est-ce que tu aimes les cadeaux?
Do you like presents? What?
Quel?
What? What?
Quel?
What? What presents do you like? What presents do you like?
Quel cadeau tu aimes?
What presents do you like? Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.